Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, friends, in your love life, work, and career? Yes, this is a chance reading. I have my bag of charms here. So, friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Subscribe, like, share, join us on Instagram, friends. And friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, please do subscribe, like, and share because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. Also, friends, one lucky winner will be selected for the free reading by random name selector. Also, if you want to donate to our channel, you can email or visit our website and message through there. Thank you so much for donating. It really helps and keep things moving on our channel. Thank you so much. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And angels, this is also a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime and it will help you whenever you watch it. So today's choices are beautiful colors. I hope you are doing well, and I hope you connect with these colors because that's the intention today. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful pink card. Option number 2, this beautiful green card. Option number 3, the beautiful orange card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one option. Yes, friends, if you feel drawn to more than one, yes, you can choose that. So let's see what's going on for option number 1. Let's see if you chose option number 1, this beautiful pink card. Let's see what is coming next for you, how things will be. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. I'll also be pulling the charms, so get ready for that also. Let's see how things are. Look at this. It's a beautiful card, the Crown Chakra number 7. I feel this is a very important week, or the week for you, because something important is happening this week. Let's see what is happening. Wow. 10 of Winters. Yes, you are coming out of a tough situation. Congratulations, friends. Something is ending, something tough. Some tough situation is ending, or burdens in your life, problems are ending. So congratulations, you are about to move towards relief and happiness. So this card is, this is like, the resolution of difficulties, weight lifted off your shoulders, the end of a tough situation, end of addictions, codependency. Wow, this is a powerful card for you, friends. This week is very important because you have number 7 and the Crown Chakra. Something is ending and it's positive. You may have already ended it, this past situation or something, but you still felt, you were still not feeling free from it. But now, this week, you will feel lighter, you will feel happier, and free from the burdens of this past situation. The Moon, wow, this is a very beautiful card. This week is about creativity. This week is about, finding your focus, on love, romance, creativity. Your emotions are also a little high this week, I feel. It is like something is not clear to you right now, but it will become clearer to you in this week. Yeah, that's for sure. Something is hidden, some gifts or some truths are hidden from you. But I think you will be able to find the solutions you are looking for this week. Your creativity will be very high. So stay, use your creativity. Your emotions will also be very high, like in a good way. You will feel positive, you will feel excited, or you will feel like, yeah, finally life is moving towards better. Ace of Autumn, yeah, friends, this is about work, money, a new start coming for you, absolutely. And any new start which happens this week or in the coming time, It is solid, friends. It is something that you can rely on. I also feel that some of you are worried about money, where money will come from, or whether you will have finances, a new work. Yes, yes, your finances will get better. Don't worry. Also, I feel your your work situation will get better. Also, stability is coming in your life, friends. It is coming. You may be feeling very emotional right now, like things are not stable, but things will shift from this week. It is a very important week for you, so don't worry. Look what this card says: a financial windfall of money, uh, a windfall of money, advice and assistance from others is coming, a very successful project, a happy change in your career. Wow. So something exciting is going to happen. I also feel you may start something this week, or you may get some ideas to start something new. So this is perfect. Work on your ideas, write them down. You will also have very important dreams or signs or messages, because you have the crown chakra. So yes, friends, make a note of the dreams you are getting. Eight of autumn, eight of pentacles. You are working very hard, friends. You are doing a lot of hard work, a lot of thinking, a lot of planning. It is good. I see, if you are a student, you are very busy. Even if you are working, you're very, very busy. And even in your love and relationships, you are very you're busy. You're busy planning about your future or about what is next. So things are busy. This is a good week for you, friends. Absolutely. So, friends, another card is Eight of Autumn is also, I feel like you're planning for what you need to do next, starting something new, whether it is in love or in career or finances. So you're very busy. I see you may be creatively also busy, like doing some paintings or writing books, reading books, gaining some knowledge. So it is a good week for you. The Six of Springs, yes, friends, success is coming, and not just success. You're moving forward in life, friends. Yes, and anything you start now, or any actions you take, it will bring you success. So believe in yourself. Look at this. Success is definitely coming your way. Wonderful news is on its way. Smart choices that bring reward, success, and public recognition. Yeah, I do feel, friends, your hard work will be appreciated, it will be rewarded. Any new ideas you have are good. I also feel that you will feel more confident this week. Even if right now you are feeling not confident, or you are feeling a bit emotional, things will get better. So keep moving forward, friends. I see that life was a little stagnant or slow for you, but this week things will move forward. It's a good week. And this is like 1 and 8, 1 and 8 again. Look, 18, 1 and 8. So yeah, this is about a new start and money and success coming your way. I also see some of you, if you are, someone will compliment you, or some sort of a reward will come. Maybe someone will recognize how important you are, a partner, a relationship. Or if you are a student, you may receive an award. Even no matter what you are doing, friends, even at a job, you may get a promotion or some sort of like praise. Like, hey, well done, you have done a good job, you're very hardworking, or something like that. Justice, yes, friends, you have done a lot of work. You have been patient from so long. It is time for success. It is time for you to receive. And it is destined, friends. I do feel this year is very nice. You should check out your 2021 horoscope readings with charms I have done on this channel. In the playlist, you can check out. I have also done many 2021 readings, so you can check that out. I feel this is an important, not just week, but year for you. You will receive, you will receive all that you have been patient for. I think some of you are waiting for justice in legal issues. It will come. Some of you are waiting for better health. Yes, it will happen. Some of you are waiting for a new start in a relationship with an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Yes, it will happen. Some of you are waiting for money or success to come your way. Yes, it will start happening from this week. It may not happen this week, but it will start happening. Positive shifts will start happening. Queen of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. I also feel, friends, that let go of things or people that no longer serve you. Now is the time to focus on your career. So, this is a time, when you are very strong. This week, your focus is on work, yourself, your life, your education, your career, your life. I don't know why your focus is less on love, but you are dealing with love. Like you're waiting for an apology or you're waiting for a new start in a connection. It will happen, friends. It will happen. Uh, just that, I see you learning something new. This week, one thing you need to keep in mind, be very clear about what you want because the chances of you achieving it are very high. So, if you are clear what you want, you will achieve it very quickly. So, yes, I see you learning something new. Also, travel is there. You want to travel, or someone is traveling towards you. Some of you may you may want to travel for work or for studies. Yes, it is. You may be worried whether you will have the finances. Yes, friends, you will have the finances. Don't worry. Justice is with you, friends. All your patience will be rewarded. So I think you're very close to achieving something, very, very close, and you have worked very hard for it, friends. You have worked very hard and you have waited also. So don't give up. If you are a student and you are learning, like you are waiting for your PhD degrees or something, you're very close, friends. It is going to happen. If you are in a twin flame connection, you are waiting for a reunion, it will happen. A chance, an apology will come, or some sort of a message will come, either from your person or from the universe. So get ready. Ooh, Angel of Love, number 49. I think, friends, this is the week for thinking about yourself. You're thinking about everyone, but not thinking about what you love, what you want to do. This week, make yourself a priority. Go after things you enjoy. Self love is also very important. Take care of your health, your hairs. Also, trust in yourself. You have wings, you can fly. I don't know why I see that there is a little doubt because, in the past, when you took a chance or a risk, things didn't go well. So you are a little scared. That will it work this time? Yes, it will. It will. Don't worry, it will work. Love yourself. The angels are supporting you, the universe is supporting you. Financially, emotionally, mentally. So don't give up. Self love is important. Number 38, financial healing, friends. There is a lot of healing coming this week for you, financially and emotionally. So, congratulations. You are being looked after, friends. I think your finances are healing, your creativity, if you are an artist, a singer, a writer, whatever, and you feel blocked. Anyway, you feel blocked, it will be healed, friends. Archangel Raphael is here. And there is victory and success. This is beautiful, friends. Wow, success is coming, friends. Success is coming for you. And this is the Six of Swords. So you are moving forward, friends. Travel is there. Success, whether you travel or not, your life situation is moving forward towards happiness, towards fame, towards joy. And you have worked hard. You are still working hard for it, friends. So don't give up. You're very close to achieving. And love yourself, love yourself. I see that this is a busy week. You might be working too much and some sort of a success, or you're working for some, you want to start and you have started a new business, or you want to start a new business, a new goal, a new dream. So you're busy. But I feel like it's okay. Just relax a little, because that's what I feel you need to do. And what else? Yeah, friends, you're very bold, you're very confident. Anything you go after, it will be successful for you. Let's see some advice for you. Rest. Wow. You have been working hard. Take a nap and get some rest. Yes, friends. I think you're very busy, friends. You're very, very busy. In fact, you are very busy since a long time, or you are planning a lot, for this year. I feel, friends, it is like You have a lot of plans, and things in this year will get busy for you, work wise, emotionally, financially. So this week, relax a bit, and just let it be, because you are going to get very busy. So take care, rest, relax, let your hair down, enjoy life a bit, don't be too stressed out, don't just work, work, work. Sleep, get some rest, and know for sure that your finances, your heart is healing. I also see some of you are waiting for a new connection, a new love relationship, friends. It is coming. It will come through work or through someone, you study with, but it is coming. Let's see your charms. For option number one, how things will be for option number one. Alright, that's a lot of charms. Let's see. You have lots of charms. So let's separate them. You have numbers also. Ooh. Wow, this is interesting. So your alphabets are HA. He is the alphabet. So maybe you are dealing with a man, or someone whose name is with H, E, and A. So hey, I don't know. Hey could be a word. I don't know if it's a word or not. So HAEE is the alphabet for you. Number 28 is the number for you. It might be 28th is important for any month for you. And I am a stupid baby. Wow. I think someone has been stupid in the past, or you may feel like things didn't go well in the past, so it might not go well again. But no, it's not like that, friends. Things are going in the right way for you. Look at this. You have the key. So there is a relationship coming your way, or some solutions, because this has a heart. This key has a heart on it. So solutions, or solutions are coming. Love is also coming your way. Look at this, the feminine energy, it is Venus. So someone with Venus, whose Venus is, or someone, creativity is very important, and someone feminine is coming your way. Feminine in the sense like someone caring, someone loving, someone kind. And also, some of you might be dealing with female issues, like female related issues. Even if you are a man, you may feel like you can't express your emotions, or you just can't, you don't feel like crying, or you are not too good about expressing your emotions. That will heal. And if you are a woman, you are attracting a very caring person. Also, this is about female issues. Like if you are having female issues, emotions, it will heal, friends. Any female problems, hormonal issues or something like that, it will heal. Don't worry. Commitment to who? The wedding ring is here, friends. Marriage is coming for you. Yes, some of you want marriage, or some of you want to heal your marriage. Yes, friends, some of you are looking for people who can commit to you. Yes, friends, you are going to find it. Don't worry. Pearl, yes, you are a very important person in your life. I want to tell you that sometimes we always focus on, if we have this, life will be perfect. Friends, we always have ourselves, and that is what you need to know, that you have yourself and your relationship. Love yourself. You are always with you. So love yourself also. Take care of yourself. Don't neglect yourself. And this is the Mazzo piano is important. I don't know, some of you are keyboard players or something. Piano is important. 14/7 60 is written on this, and this is a heart. So definitely it feels like a award is coming, a message is coming, that you are waiting for some sort of an award, some sort of a money, a gift of love is coming. You also have the windmill. Changes are coming, friends. Changes are going to happen for you. Positive changes, growth is coming, financial growth is going to happen for you. The turtle, the tortoise, be slow, friends. You may feel like you want to rush things, but things are moving in the right direction. And look, you have the diamond. Oh la la, friends, the diamond is for you. You are the diamond, friends. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You can achieve anything you desire. So don't give up. The owl. Definitely, you're very intelligent, friends. I see. This week you are learning, friends. I don't know what you are learning. Maybe it is about spirituality. Maybe you are learning something new. Some new course, some new project you are starting at work, or maybe your exams are coming, so you are starting once again. Studying. You're studying once again, but also keep your eyes open on the divine signs. Some important messages are coming. Dragonfly, yeah, changes are coming, friends, positive changes, and you are ready for them. Don't doubt yourself. The rose, someone has deep feelings for you, deep love. Maybe your twin flame, it is there. Look, two roses are here. So I feel like there is a relationship which, maybe if you are single, it has not yet come into your life, but it is about to come in your life. If you are already in a relationship, it is going to get better and deeper. Wow, you have two keys. This is interesting. I don't think so. We have ever had two keys. Look at this. Another key is here. Oh my god, friends. Look at that. Can you see this? Wow. You have one key here, the key of heart, and this is the key of, I don't know, money probably. So, yeah, money is coming your way. So, you have the keys, you have the solutions. Solutions are coming. So don't worry, you're going to find what you're looking for. Music is very important. Some of you could be learning music, some of you could be attracting a new person who is a musician, or maybe you will meet them through music or through movies. Common taste, in music, and something you have common hobbies, common likes and dislikes. The leaf is here. Don't worry so much. Things are going in the right way. The flower is here. Focus on taking care of yourself, friends. Peace, yeah, peace is very important for you. You have another flower. This is about. Life is the moon. This reminds me of the moon. Emotions are high, but it's all right. Baby elephant, learn to enjoy life, friends. I think you're very busy. You see how many charms you have. This is a so focus on enjoying yourself. Baby elephants are very playful. They are very fun, friends. So focus on the happiness and enjoying your life this week. Attachment. Someone is very attached to you, friends. I also feel you are very attached to some person from your past, or maybe you are a little hesitant to change your life, but I think you will be safe, friends. You are very close to achieving your goals. You will be safe, you'll be successful, and also I do see a fresh start is going to happen in some situation, some connection, some relationship, attachment, wedding ring. So new connections which are coming your way are very nice. You can count on them. Also, people, if there is a reunion happening, it will go the long way. Wheel of fortune, yes, you're very lucky. So trust in your luck and trust in your trust in the luck. The tortoise is about taking your time, not rushing through. The sword, breakthrough. A lot of breakthroughs are coming. Also, this is like an umbrella, so I feel like it may be raining, or you may feel like who will protect you when things are tough, you are alone or something. Are you feeling alone, friends? Because if you are, or you are starting a new journey, or you are getting married, or you are planning on something new, starting something new, will you be safe? Yes, you are very protected. Snowflakes, yes, you are very lucky also. And let's see, the heart, yes, friends, someone loves you a lot, and things are going to come, manifest, or things are going to blossom for you. Just wait for it. Things are going to work out in your love life. I see some of you are very upset about your love situation. The deer is here. So you're very sensitive, friends. Your emotions are very high this week in a happy way, in a happy, in a good way. You feel emotionally excited. You may also be a bit sad about the past situation, but I think you're recovering from it. Butterfly, yeah, see, you're recovering from it. Don't worry. There is also this guitar. Some of you are definitely attracting violin. I think this is a violin, not a guitar. I think it's a guitar, probably. So I think, music is very important. You could be attracting someone, a musician, someone, an artist. Maybe you are very creative this week also, because you have the creativity here, creativity here. So focus on enjoying the movement, flowing with it. You may be attracting someone who, maybe you are an artist and you are worried about your finances or your future. Things will be safe. Also, creativity or music can help you to relax this week. You also have the mama elephant and the mother and the baby elephant together. So I feel something related to your mother is also very important to you. Like your family is telling you to get married or you want to have kids, something related to that is also happening. Arranged marriage proposals or some sort of marriage, moving in, mother issues are affecting or you are recovering from them. Let's see this creativity. Ooh. Friends, and look at this, and look at the pink, and look at the color. So yeah, it matches with it. So creativity is high. X, yeah, you are missing an X, or you are remembering how things just shifted with with that person. Maybe they will try to message you. I do see someone trying to message you. They are very attached to you. Lover, yeah, this person, a lover, is important this week. Art, you both could be artist, or that person or you are black. You're very safe, you're very protected. Eight of coins is here. You're very busy, you're very focused. Seven of wands, you're very close to achieving your goals, friends. Don't give up. Knight of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So yeah, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces cycle. Some situation is going in cycles. Maybe with your twin flame things are going in cyclic way, or with you feel like there is no solution, same problems keep repeating again and again. But I think this week you will find the solutions, because you have two keys, you have the wheel of fortune. Luck is with you. You're going to find solutions of recurring problems which keep appearing again. Four of coins, money is coming your way. And also I feel, hold on to your money. Cat, yeah, some of you could be finding a cat, or some of you could be getting a new cat or a pet, and or maybe you're missing your pet, cats or something, because you have a lot of animal charm. The tortoise, the deer, in fact you have all the animal charms. You have the deer, you have the owls, you have the elephant, you have the mama bear and the elephant, you have the deer. So many. You also have the butterfly, you have the golden and silver tortoise. So definitely it is about a twin flame connection. Look at this, here they are, the golden and silver tortoise. Two of coins, very busy, friends. You are very busy this week, so take some rest. Don't lose sleep. Knight of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important to you this week. It's a very busy week. Lot of things are happening, friends. So don't worry. Stay positive. It's a great week for you, and many. I wish the best for this week. Many happiness and love for you for this week, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So friends, if you choose option number 2, this beautiful heart chakra green card, let us see how this week, what's coming next, charms reading for you. This is a beautiful card, friends. Number is 4 on this. So this is about stability, this is about structure, this is also about healing, love, affection. Oh my god, this is a beautiful card. I love it. It's great energy. This is your advice for this week. These are your extra oracle messages. Oops. Let's see, chance I'll pull at the end of this reading. So let's see what's coming next for you. Let's see. Ooh, Five of Winters. I think you are recovering, friends. You are recovering from lot of trust issues. Someone has really hurted your heart, friends. Yeah, I do feel someone has hurted your heart, or probably, there is someone who is in no contact, or I don't know, you have a little bit of trust issues right now, like you can't trust people, or you can't trust life, your luck, or something like that. But I feel it is ending, it is resolving, things are about to get better for you, friends. This is over, this trust of, this deceit, this lack of trust. Look what this card says: walk away from dishonest associations, realizing that what you thought you wanted isn't the best choice for your happiness, something that's not worth the effort. So, definitely, friends, you are very wise this week. You have realized that some people will not change, and it is good because you have changed. So wonderful energy. And also I feel, no someone not people who don't want your best, they can't affect you anymore. These trust issues won't affect you because you are wiser now. Let's see what else. Yeah, Chariot, you are moving away from these people who are actually, who say they are yours, but they pretend, or they are actually not yours. You're moving out of that, friends. You're moving out of cheating people, or moving out of bad situations, bad people, or situations which were not working for you. You're moving out of it. You're moving into success, into positivity. And I see traveling happening. Some of you may be shifting, relocating, changing your home, or something like that. I also feel, friends, that someone could be coming towards you from your past, who cheated you, who ghosted you, who blocked you. I do feel someone wants to make a move towards you, but I don't know why they are just frozen and not at all making a move. So let's see what else. Six of winter. Yeah, your life is getting better, friends. It's already healing. Things are moving on the right side towards you. Positive changes are on their way. A welcome relief from troubled times, traveling or relocating. See, I do see this week your worries, yes, your mental worries will end, and you will find relief from people who were trying to ghost you, block you, or even family members perhaps, who were just, or friends who were just not behaving right with you. You will find some peace from them, and you will move away, friends. And this is good for you because you have learned your lesson. You are ready for these changes. I also feel someone who ghosted you, maybe a friend, maybe a relative, maybe your in-laws, maybe it is an twin flame. They want to come back. They want to come back. Someone wants to come back. Six of summer. Yeah, they are a soulmate. A lot of soulmate connections are important for you this week. This week is about, love. This week is what is love for you. Some of you are also looking for a new lover, or you want things to get better or resolve. You want to know why this person cheated on you, or why they left you. What was the reason? Although you have matured up, you have moved away from them, you have moved on, but you still, feel attached to this person. You still miss them, and they are also missing you because you both are soulmates. I see that if they are, if this person has I feel there is a chance this person will come back, and they want to come back and talk to you. I don't know, I don't see you talking to them, but yeah, there is a chance they want to come back and talk to you. I see that you want to move away and want a new soulmate, a new connection. Queen of Summers, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Listen to your heart, intuitive insights you can trust, taking care of yourself, and perhaps too much. I think you are a giver, friends. You give a lot. You chose the heart card also. So you are givers, you are very loving, you are very kind. And I do feel, friends, there are people in your life, maybe where you live, friends, relatives, parents, colleagues, or lovers, who just take too much from you and never give back. So this week you are moving away from them. And any distance you create is good. Also, I feel you will find friendships who are giving, who are kind, and it will create a balance in your life. Like, you only have people who take and take, but now you will find people who can give to you also. Heart centered, heart centered relationships, friendships are coming for you. The lovers, see, choice in love is coming, choice in work is also coming. So, congratulations. This is a powerful week, friends, for you. Very interesting. You will have some choices in your love life, in your career also, and also at home, like whether you want to live there, whether you want to shift. So there are choices, you have options. You may feel like you don't have options. No, you have options, and this week will show you more options. I also feel that some of you are looking for an eternal lover, someone you can count on, a friend or a lover. Yes, it is coming, friends, it is definitely there. Someone from the past may also return. I don't know if you will accept them or not, but they want to talk. But I see them frozen. I see them frozen, like they are not saying anything, but they want to come back. True love that is long lasting, choices made from the heart, a return to good health. Yeah, definitely, friends. Love is very important. Love towards yourself, loving friendships, loving connections. And if you some of you may also be looking for marriage, for long term commitment and all those things. Yes, you will find it. Two of cups. Yeah, partnerships are very important. This entire week is about partnerships. And partnerships in the sense like, who is giving to you, who is behind your back, who is with you and who isn't. And definitely a love relationship is coming back, friends. There is, a lover coming back or a new lover coming your way. And you will meet them when you move or while you are traveling. So travel a little if you can, or, join some travel groups or something, because this person is there. And two of cups, falling in love or making a serious commitment to someone, forgiveness and resolution of a problem. Don't give up, your relationship can be healed. Wow, I also feel this week is about your healing the relationship with yourself. You're taking care of yourself. If any times you gave to others more than you listen to yourself, I think you will heal that. This week you are like, nah, I will stand with myself because I have been giving to everyone. Now I will give to myself. Yay, friends! Amazing, well done. The world, a brilliant success, freedom to go in any direction, a journey that is now complete. You are free, friends. Definitely, you are free to attract new things in life, new relationships, new job. I think some of you want to travel or, for abroad, for jobs or for studies, and or maybe you're finishing your colleges or you're about to finish, so your plans are about to travel. You are like, you're planning to travel, or where you want to go, what is the next step. Think about yourself, friends. Think about yourself, what makes you happy, because I see you are thinking about everyone else. Like maybe you are married and you have a promotion, or you are finishing college, you have a job coming up, so you're thinking of everybody, like what will they say, what makes them happy. But what makes you happy? Maybe you are a student, you want to go abroad for studies, or you want to go abroad or in some other city, or maybe you have a job in another city, but you are making everyone else happy because they are saying, don't do this, this is rude, do this. What about you? What about you? What is it that makes you happy? Do that. Go for it. You deserve it, friends. You deserve it. You have always thought about others. This week, think about yourself. Excitement is coming, friends. Prince of Spring, Prince of Wands, immediate action, a challenge you can easily manage, a passionate relationship. Yeah, a new lover is coming, a new exciting opportunity is coming for you, friends. A new work, a new job, a new career, it is coming for you. And I also feel, friends, like this is, this is the. This is the opportunity you are waiting for, so go for it. People will say, don't do this, don't do that, go for it. Also, this is a new lover or a new friendship coming your way. It could come through work or through traveling or through your studies, so say yes. I also see past lovers coming back. I don't know if you wanna, maybe you will stay as friends or heal. You want to know why they left you, but I don't see anything else. Some of you may say yes to this person, but most of you will move on. Rest and rejuvenate, number 19. Yeah, a lot of things are happening around you. So, you are just like, yeah, I'll rest. I know I am at peace. Everything is moving around me. So, your future is safe. So, don't worry too much. Relax and enjoy. A lot is happening this week. Angel of balance. Yeah, I think your head and heart are saying two different things. Your head is saying one thing, your mind is saying another. So I would say focus on your find a balance. Find a balance, because that is necessary between your 4 and 8. 4 is about heart, 8 is about the finances, 8 is about destiny, 4 is about love, connection, soulmate. So your heart is saying one thing, your head is saying one thing. You'll be able to find the balance between them both. Accelerated motion, 8 of wands. Wow, friends, a lot of communications are coming your way. I feel a lot of you know spiritually also. You are very connected to someone or some relationship. Some of you are trying to manifest a new relationship, a new soulmate connection, new friendships, new, maybe you are trying to manifest a job for yourself. Yes, you are on the right path. Keep doing. It is coming your way very quickly in the next 8 days, next 8 days, 10 days, 18 days. It is coming, friends. A new job or a new relationship. Keep moving, keep manifesting. Secondly, I also feel someone is going to message you. A relationship is becoming is going to quickly get fast. Like, how do I say, communications, lot of communications, messages are coming, so say yes. Let's see what else. I also feel like, friends, wish upon the stars, When you go out in the evening, right at the sunset, make a wish, make a wish. I think it is going to come true for you. Make a wish, friends. Write down your wishes. You're manifesting something, you will achieve it. Oh, look at that music for manifesting. Yes, friends, your manifestations are being, prayers are being heard. Go for it. To manifest rapidly, think of what you desire while you chant, hum, sing, or play music. Oh God, friends, definitely your prayers are being answered, and it will be answered very quickly. Whether you are looking for a job, or a soulmate relationship, or a healing in a relationship, things are going to move very quickly for you. So stay positive, keep working. Who? Oh my God, friends, look at that. Soulmate relationship, new romance with a spiritual basis is here. Yes, friends, you have done so much of work. You deserve this new friendship, this new love, this soulmate connection. You deserve it. I also feel this is your soul friendships coming your way, your soul family, you falling, they are coming for you, maybe it is I feel it is a friend. Maybe it is a friend who will help you. Maybe it is a new relationship. Maybe it is a twin flame coming back. Your people are coming, because you feel very disconnected from people around you, unhappy. People are not people around you don't want your best, be it your family, your colleagues, your friends, your lovers. But new people are coming. New romance with a spiritual basis is here. So stay positive and accelerated motion. Keep manifesting, friends. I see this is not just about love. This is a new friend. Also, a new spiritual connection, like a spiritual mentor coming your way, or a friendship, or a person you can work with and they will support you no matter what. So, your soulmate family, soul family is coming. So go for it, friends. Let's see your chance. My God, this is beautiful. I have goosebumps, This is so sweet. Let's see, option number 2. What's coming this week? Option number 2. Alright, see the pound. I was expecting that. Okay, let's see. So let's see first our alphabets and any numbers. Okay, let's just separate them a bit so we can read them more quickly. So your alphabets are Y, V, A, and Z. That's N. Sorry, N. It's not a Z. I don't know why I said Z. Maybe Z is important for some of you. So van, maybe van is about traveling. Van is about like travel. Moving ahead. Van is also like shifting your home, relocating. And if you have recently shifted, yes, it is the right move for you. If you are planning, yes, it is going to be great. So YVAN number, the letter number 3 is important. So it could be March, it could be the month March is important, or it could be 3 days or 3 hours from now are important for you. Or the dark horse, friends, believe in yourself. You're very lucky, friends, and you should not doubt your strength. You're very strong. The house, I do feel, friends, some of you are going to. Get a lot of success, maybe buy your own houses in the future, or you are going to find your own family. Some of you are like, where is my family, where is my people who understand me, who love me? Friends, you have us first. Magic Vans Tarot, our family. You have me. You also are going to find new connections. Look at that, and a very passionate connection also. So yeah, get excited. Number 12. So something about December, maybe someone born in December, or number 12 is important. The heart, 3 of hearts. Celebrations are coming your way, friends. Some celebrations are coming. Also, someone has put you in a third party, like maybe it could be like the people you love, they are not understanding you, or they are bitching about you. Not to, I don't want to use this word, but I do feel backbiting happening, but you will find relief from that. New friends, better friends, and people you can trust, so they are coming. Celebrations are also coming. Message in a bottle, yes, someone wants to message you. I do see this is from the past. I also see new people and messages related to work coming your way. Take care of your health, friends. Don't let negative people affect you, because friends, you are kind and loving. A lot of people will want to put their stress on you, or they just want to spoil your life because you are doing well, because you are very nice, you are the heart person, loving, kind, sweet person. So when you are sweet, people kind of honey attracts a lot of bees. So you are the honey, friends. You are honeylicious. Now that's a new one. So you are like the honey, friends. So bees are coming, and you are like, oh my god, why do the bees are here? Because friends, you are the honey. So someone can be a bear also. Bears are attracted to honey. Don't worry. You are safe, friends. You are safe because you are honey. So you attract a lot of people, or a lot of takers, because you are a giver. So don't worry, good people are coming now. Pawn, you feel powerless. It is like you don't have any power right now to change your life or to change anything. Things are shifting for you, friends. Don't worry. Hello, I'm yours. Someone that is absolutely a new connection is coming, a new friendship, a new connection is coming. The owl, friends, look at the messages which are coming to you this week, because they will help you to move or take the next action steps. Unicorn, yes, use your intuition. Your intuition is very strong. Cycle, I think, friends, this you are slowly moving forward. Someone maybe someone is into fitness, or you should look after your fitness this week. It will help you, like start a fitness routine, walking, cycling, yoga, gymming. It will help you. Secondly, I also feel someone who is very into fitness, they might connect with you through traveling, bikes. Cowboy, wow, friends, someone very interesting is coming towards you, a new friend, or someone you might meet while traveling. Look at this. Or you may already know this person as a friend, or friends. They are going to come towards or disclose their feelings. The crown, friends, you are the crown. Love yourself, friends. You have the prize. You are the catch. You are the honey. You are the honeylicious people. You are my honey babies, and you are being crowned this week. So go for it and believe in yourself. And fish, yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. This can also be let go of the past. Skeleton, don't leave the bones. Leave the past. And the drum, yeah, someone is coming very quickly. What is this? The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. See? You're amazing friends, and you have been through a lot of darkness, dark people, darkness. But things are shifting. Things are shifting. This is your time. This new connection is coming. Friendships are coming. Also, you are spiritually moving ahead. See, a spiritual mentor is coming. You will find a friend or a someone who will take care of you or who will guide you. USA is important. Yes, some of you may be traveling there. Karmic, the situations which are causing you trouble, they are karmic friends, past people, past relationships, friendships, people who are backbiting, not understanding. 10 of cups, it could be your family. So some of you are like, where is my family, where is my soul tribe? They are coming, you are manifesting, they are coming for you. And meanwhile, we are also here for you, so don't feel alone. 7 of wands, don't give up, keep fighting, keep manifesting. Two of Cups. Oh my god, you have the Two of Cups. Look. Yeah, friends, relationships are very important for you. Seven of Coins. Patience. You're very near, friends. Very near. Four of Wands. A marriage, a commitment is coming. Some of you are like, when will I get married? When will I settle down? When will I have my own house? Where is that money? Where is that love? It is there. You are working for it, friends. You deserve it. It's gonna happen. Keep the faith. Keep the faith. Look, all your questions are being answered by the angels and the charms. I just pulled them. I don't do any, fixing out of them. What is this? Okay. White. Stay peaceful, friends. People are trying to create drama in your life this week. You know why? Because you are doing very nice. You're feeling good. So don't let them. Be the queen, be the king. And remember to like, share, subscribe Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful orange card, let us see what's coming next for you. This is a chance reading. This is a beautiful card. Number 2 is about harmony. Number 2 is about love, creativity, sexual chemistry, attraction. So this is beautiful, very nice. Let us see. These are your advice. This is your extra oracle messages. We'll also be pulling the charms shortly. So let us see what's going on. Wow. Four of Winters. Wow, I see. This is like, you are feeling, I don't know why, but you start this week maybe where you are, it is quite cold, or it is about to get cold. I don't know. I feel like, maybe it's raining a lot. I don't know, there is some weather issue happening where you are this week, and you may feel like a bit like disappointed with the weather, which is quite strange. You are like, the weather is so boring, I want to sleep through it. It's boring. Maybe this is a peaceful week for you, friends. I see that, because there is like, you are like, maybe, the world situation is still continuing for you, so you are like, let's see, sleep, there's nothing much to do. I think you are a little upset with the weather. Maybe it is snowing where you are, or maybe it is raining, or it is like windy, or maybe it is too hot, so you are like, nah, I don't want to go out, I'll stay here. I'll go to sleep. So that's how the energy is, but it's a good thing. Catching up on sleep is nice always. And let's see, 5 of the unity, the Hierophant. Friends, I think I see this week you are thinking a lot. You have a lot on your mind. You are thinking, what is your life purpose? Why you are on earth? What is going on? What you want to do in life, where you want to go next, what should you be doing? I think you are thinking a lot this week. You need to make a change, and you are thinking about it. And I feel this is about your life purpose, or what you need to do next in life. Like, some of you are like, you are bored wherever you are, or you feel like you need to make a change, but you don't know what change. So this week you are thinking what change you need to make. Do the right things for the right reasons. Compare traditional versus new approaches to see which works for you. A spiritually minded community is coming. Yeah, I think some of you are also looking for people who you are very different, pile number 3, or you are becoming like, your taste, your hobbies, your dislikes, your hobbies, your likes, your dislikes are changing, shifting. I think you are progressing a lot. You are very progressive. You're ahead of your times, or you are moving into shifting gears, like in the cars, you shift gears, you are shifting gears. So, I think you are looking for new friendships, like maybe you are feeling alone, so you're looking for new friendships. I also feel you're looking for your next action steps, like what you need to do next, what is your life purpose. Some of you are like bored of your current work, your job, your education, or maybe if you're not working, you are bored of that. So you need to do something. You are like, what do I need to do? Release, yeah. Transformation. Some things have ended, or some things are shifting. There is an energy of shift and change in your life. Let go of the past. Let go of the past, an ending that makes way for new opportunities. Time to move on. Yeah, you're thinking about changing, you're thinking about moving on. You have ended a relationship or a marriage, you have moved out, or maybe you are, it may not be very drastic a change. It may be just like you want to shift, you want to start a new hobby, you want to think about it this week, you are thinking, or you want to change your routine, so you are thinking about that. You need to make a change somewhere in your life this week, and you are thinking what change it is. I also feel, friends, you are very wise. You should believe yourself. You're very wise. You're very intelligent. You can count on your wisdom. Don't give up. Some of you are ready for a job change or a career change. Like you are done with that job. You need to find another one. Or you have found another, but you are not sure. Maybe you are ready for a business idea or a hobby change. Three of Autumn. People are coming, friends. People who can understand you, people whom you can trust or you can work with, they are coming, friends. Also, somewhere this week is like you will have to cooperate a little with people, because people don't understand you. You are ahead, you are more maturer than them, you are different. So, people are like, you are that person who has those purple streaks in here, or you think very independently. I don't think so. People understand you very well. Maybe your family. I don't think so. I think we understand you, but I don't think so anybody else understands you. That is how you feel this week. Like people are not understanding you. But you know what? You can understand them. And that's the trick. Firstly, there are two things which are happening. You will find people whom you can whom you can have a harmony, and whom you can gel with. But also, people around you, friends and family, you can cooperate with them. Be diplomatic and cooperate, and that is how you can get the work done. So, you are the wise one. You have to take a wise approach this week. You may feel like, nah, I don't want to be the wise one. I don't want to cooperate. We have those moments when we are like, nah, I don't want to be the understanding one. But I think you can do it because you are quite intelligent. King of Winters, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, you could be dealing with someone mysterious. I think you find someone mysterious, or maybe people find you very mysterious, like they can't understand you. Maybe it is a lover, twin flames, ex-lover, new friend. You feel that person is mysterious, you can't understand them. They have a lot of mood swings. Sometimes they talk a lot, sometimes they are just, nah, I don't know, I don't want to talk. You just never know what kind of reaction this person is gonna give. I think the same problem others also face with you. So that situation is there. I also feel some of you will have, you're dealing with your parents, or you are dealing with the with a loss, like you lost a pet, you lost something, or you lost a job. So you are like, what do I need to do next? So you're thinking about that also. And some of you don't understand your parents very well, or your father, especially, like you have some, your father doesn't understand you. So understanding is a bit off. But you don't need that understanding, because you are wiser. You can count on your wisdom. That's the thing. Wheel of Fortune, things are moving in the right direction, delays are over, and expect sudden or unexpected good luck, a new car or a travel. Woo, friends, woo. Listen to your ideas this week, friends. Luck is changing for you. New things are coming, new people are coming. Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of doing things in a new way. Even with old people, like your old friends, your family, your friendships, lovers, cousins. They may be the same people, but you can change how you behave with them or how you understand them. So, that's the key here. Also, I see a lot of luck coming your way, a lot of money coming your way. Some of you are going to buy a car, or you are planning to buy a car, or you need to replace. I see some of you might get a flat tire this week, friends, because I did saw a flat tire just now in a flash. So be careful. I am warning you earlier. If you are in a car, keep your spare. Even if you are on a bike or something, I don't know, scooters, keep a spare tire, because some of you might have some tire issues. But I think things are moving forward. Luck is coming your way. And just decide what you want to do. You want to change your job, what job you want to do, what makes you happy. Think about that, and you can start working, because things are coming. Ace of Wands. New things are coming, new jobs, new people, new ideas. You're going to meet, excitement is coming in your life. Life is not so dull now. This is 2021. New things, new ideas. So go for it, friends. It is time to take action, and things won't shift until you decide to shift. And I think you will take some actions, friends, this week. Like, you go out, change your routine, you wake up early, go for a morning walk. That itself can change. Like, another change maybe some of you can do is, like, not just think but act also. Another change can be like, you want to learn music, you go out and learn music. You start taking action, or you start applying to universities, to colleges. You start applying for teaching jobs, because I see you make a good teacher. It is time to take action. Be fearless and happily pursue your most treasured dreams. Amazing career opportunities. Yeah, friends, things are going to get very excited. This may start as a dull week, but things will pick up. You may be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person also. I see someone is keeping an eye on you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. I see there is someone who wants to work things out with you, a lover or a friend whom, things ended with, but they want a new start with you. They are watching your social media, keeping an eye on you. I don't know if you want a new start with this person, but they want a new start with you. This person you have moved on from. You feel this person is kind of crazy. They are like, I don't know what this person wants. Maybe this is a new person, or this is someone you already knew and ended things with, but they want to start with you again, because they are like, oh, you're so nice, you're so beautiful, I want another chance. But you are like, I don't know what, or you find this person strange, you find this person is a bit of a hippie. They have mood swings. So you're like, what is wrong with this person? And I don't think so. They have treated you well in the past. So they will come back. They are stalking your social media, friends, and very strongly they are stalking. I see your family also stalking your social media. And there is a lot of sexual chemistry in this connection, or with someone. Someone is watching you this week, and they have a lot of sexual chemistry, or, attraction for you. There is a lot of lust. There is a lot of, like, they like the way you look, they like the way you are. So there is love, there is lust here, there is attraction here. But I don't know if you can, it's, if you want them or not, because you are like, I don't know this person. This is interesting. Seven chakra, Archangel Uriel. Listen to your intuition, friends. Your intuition can really guide you. You know the answers you are seeking. Look for the signs like 222, 555. The signs are guiding you. Look for it, and you can count on your own wisdom. You're very powerful, you are very smart, you are very intelligent. You will not do actions which will create if you are like, starting you want to start a business and you are scared, don't be. You can count on your wisdom. Ooh, third chakra, Archangel Samuel. Ooh. The second chakra, the third chakra. Oh my god, solar plexus is also here. Two chakra cards you have, friends. What is going on? You have, in fact, three chakra cards: one, two, and three. This is a very powerful time for you, friends. Make sure this week is positive for you. Something will happen, you're attracting a lot of attention because people don't understand you, and that attracts a lot of attention. So don't feel bad about it if nobody understands you or nobody's around you. It's attractive. It's like you are the deep, dark, handsome hunk, or the deep, mysterious girl, seductive. People are like, who is she, who is he? The people are very drawn towards you, your intelligence, your beauty, your body, your looks. So fall in love with yourself, friends. I am in love with you, so you should love yourself. And look at that. Again, the Five of Hierophant, and here it is. Wisdom. Again, twice this card has come, friends. You're very wise, and it is time you're ready for a change. And any changes you have made, you'll be fine. You'll be fine with it. If you are going to make any changes, you'll be fine. Also, I feel if you feel like you're very unique, you're going to find unique people, friends. Unique friendships, unique careers, unique lovers, and they will be perfect for you. Don't worry. Let's see the advice for you. Protection. Yes, you and your loved ones and your possessions are safe and protected by heaven. You feel a little alone, friends. I don't know why. I know why, because nobody understands, or you're way ahead of your times. People are not understanding you. Also, maybe because of this world situation, the confusion, you may feel like, should you change? Should you go out? Should you travel? Will I be safe? Maybe you're a parent and you're worried about your children, or maybe you are the child, you're worried, will I be safe alone? Yes, you'll be safe, protected, you're very protected. And you will find people who will protect you. It is like the spirit walks with you. Look at that. 1 chakra, 2 chakra, 3 chakra. Chakras are also angels walking with you. So don't worry. You're very protected. Let's see your charms. You're very interesting, friends. Pile number 3. Let me know if you chose pile 3. Are you like this, very mysterious, or you are right now in that very seductive energy? Okay, pile number 3. What's coming for them? Oops, almost dropped it. Alright, you have lots of alphabets. Okay, let's see. I had a peekaboo. I saw what is written on it. You all are amazing. You made me laugh also, This pile is beautiful. I like it. You're much like me, much like a hierophant, that people don't kind of like, nah, I don't know. Only you guys understand me. Oh God, I'll see how much we connect, and see there are two. There are two similar cards. So you're binge watching Magic Wednesday Tarot. I hope so. Nice, that was nice. Thank you for making me laugh. That's interesting. And the reconciliation, yeah, someone wanna connect with you back, friends. Yes, let's see. So BTM, maybe BTS also. Maybe you are drawn. Maybe you are like this. Rock star kind of a person. You like rock music or something, or someone likes that. So you feel a bit left out or something. BTS, although it is M, but I feel maybe that's important. K-pop and all those music, rock stars. All those things. BTM, VXPEA. X is also important. Maybe someone from the X. Some of X person you don't understand, or they don't understand you, so some understanding issues are affecting you. P, take your green vegetables, friends. I see like you are picky about food. Like I don't want to eat green things, green vegetables. Maybe you are young. Maybe you are that naughty young child who doesn't want to eat like green things. So I think you should increase intake of green food. Green vegetables, peas, and all those things. 444 is very important. Number 44, number 22. And number 7 is important, number 14 is important, number 20 is important. So get ready, friends. Reconciliation, someone very sexy, steamy is coming your way, or someone reconciliation, someone wants to come back to you, car. I feel you, I told you something about the car, right? Something about the car is there, maybe a flat tire or something, or you are going to buy, or you are planning to buy, or it is your dream to buy. The doctor, I think some of you, some health issues will resolve. You may visit a doctor, or I feel like there are some health issues which are resolving, so don't worry if there are any. Someone wants to fix something, relationship or something, but I don't know if you want to fix them or not. The heart, I think someone likes you, friends, and they are not telling you, but they are dying to tell you. They like you, they have a crush on you. The hidden feelings, you feel like this dark horse that nobody understands, but I think there are more people like you, we all are dark horses to someone or the other, so don't worry, don't feel left out. We always have people around who will not understand us, even if we are the sweetest people. It is like, even if you are a rose, someone will say, ha, tulips are better. Oh my god, you're making me laugh a lot, friends. That's interesting. Thank you so much. I think you need this laughter. We all need it, probably. Iron, yeah, friends. I see like some of you don't want to do the usual jobs, like like jobs like working or something, office jobs or something. You want to do something else, something different. So go for it. Mobile phone, someone is stalking you. I told you, friends. You are stalking them, they are stalking you. Someone will message you. Some important messages are coming through mobiles, through social media. So get ready, dogs. Someone very loyal is coming towards you. And hello, I'm yours. Yeah, someone is dying to tell you how much they love you. So look for that. The Wheel of Fortune is here. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Luck is coming your way. The owl came in all the three readings today, so listen to your intuition. And you also have this seventh chakra, friends. Your intuition is guiding you, your divine signs are guiding you. Act on them, at least note them down. There is also this flower, so you are shining, friends, you are shining bright. So don't worry about anything else. And also there is another flower, so you are growing, you are expanding. And fish, let go of the past. If there are people who don't understand you, just, it's okay, make peace with it. We can't change people, we can't make people love us, but we can always love them. The rainbow, look, something is going to make you feel excited, friends. After the rain there is a rainbow, after the storm there is a rainbow. So yeah, that's why I was making you laugh, probably, because you need it. Peacock, yes, friends. Someone is like someone is wanting your attention. They are like, look at me, look at me, look at me. But I don't know if you are interested in them or not. The growth, look at this, money is coming your way, friends. Lots of quick money, and lots of friendships are coming. Connections, right friendships, and money is coming. Tree of life, yes, you are going to leave a legacy, friends. You may be different from your people around you, but you are going to leave a legacy. You are going to meet a person who has a legacy also. You're someone related from, maybe they are your twin flame, or you have a lot of past life connection with that person. Red is about passion and taking action. Pink is about feeling the love. A lot of people are in love with you, even if they don't tell you openly. A lot of people love you. You are like this peacock everybody wants. Peacocks are different birds. When other birds look at them, they are like, look at peacocks, they are so beautiful, they are so huge. But when you may see them flying high in the sky, these eagles, you'll be like, I'm just a peacock. Why the eagles can fly so high? Why can't I fly so high? But friends, you are peacock. Everybody wants a peacock. Everybody looks at the peacock. You can dance. You are beautiful. So people want what you have. Love yourself. Okay, nobody tells you that they love you, but they actually adore you. Six of Cups, a soulmate connection. UK is important. Someone from long distance is important. Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Kingfisher, money is coming. Prosperity is coming. Let's see. Neptune, some confusion is there about your career or your next move. I think it will be resolved by the end of this week or in the coming few weeks. Two of Wands, be mature. Be mature, friends. Don't let others affect you. You are the peacock. Be like that. May is important for some of you. August is also important for some of you. May and August. Five of Cups, disappointment. Someone is missing you, someone from the past, because now they see that, ooh, you are the peacock. They want you back, mouse. Yeah, but they are scared of coming. Eight of Cups, yeah, they left you. Now they want to come back. Ten of Coins, they want a family with you. And April. So, May, and August are important for some of you. Let's see this. Wow, you are classy, friends. You're classy. You have to, believe in yourself. You're amazing. You're beautiful. I love the energy you have this week. And make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. And if you want to donate to our channel, friends, please email me. I'll let you know what you can do or whatever it's your choice, friends. It's your love. I can't never say anything to it. And this is Mystic C, friends, saying bye for now.